This is a story about the greenest eco-lodge beach villa the world has ever seen.
There is a house in New Orleans they call the rising sun, and it's been,
as we know it, life is about the color of the sky while the sun is setting down at dusk.
Boy, and God, I know I'm one. Out on the drunk.
There is no better place to enjoy the golden and blue hours of the twilight zone than the scenic surroundings and beautiful eco-lodge of the rising sun, called the Karang Aji Beach Villa. This green eco-lodge is literally a place of paradise for shooting photography. A romantic place to sip wine or champagne with your loved ones, or just simply relax and be mesmerized by the turquoise beauty of the Indian Ocean with a colorful silhouette by the twilight blue and golden hours of the sunrise rays.
On the platform, he's got the other foot on the train.
And the best part is that this luscious and golden paradise can be thoroughly enjoyed for as little as a backpacker budget.
New Orleans, he's gonna wear.
So, folks, it's about time you did yourself a favor and rush to this secret paradise before mass tourism discovers it. We look most forward to seeing you soon, folks. Terima kasih banyak.